Hello and welcome to Thermomix Malaysia. My name is Chef Martin Yeo, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Japanese shopan, which is also known as a salted bread, with the help of our wonderful Thermomix 6 or TM6 as we call it. This recipe could be found in the Perfection with Thermomix in 7 days, which is actually the Killer Toast recipe, right? We've adapted it also to a shopan recipe. So in actual fact, you have one recipe, two kinds of breads. All right, shall we get started? Yeah, let's go. Okay, now it's really easy to use the Thermomix for bread kneading. Okay, for those of you who haven't seen what it can do, I'm going to call up the scale. Okay, it has a scale, and the scale comes with a 1 gram accuracy. All right, wow, that's really amazing. Pop the egg in, all right, pop the milk in. You see, it keeps your kitchen very clean once you organize everything. You pop your sugar in and the yeast, put the lid back on, okay, and then we'll set it for about just over a minute, and then off we go. Okay, and this is just a casual mix to put all the ingredients together to make friends. Now, it's really easy to use this TM6. We're going to make a nice, wonderful, soft bun, all right, kind of a crescent bun style of bread. Some of us call it a rich bun or soft Asian bun. It's really easy to use. Now, the Thermomix can replace 22 and probably more in the future, okay? 22 functions in your kitchen. So some of you will say, this replacing 22 functions in my kitchen? How? Let's see. It has a weighing scale, it has certain functions, a fermentation function, it has a pre-clean function, all right, it has a sous vide function, which is the craze right now, all right, among all the Thermomix users internationally. It's 100% made in Germany, right? So really great German product, all right, right here in Southeast Asia just for you, to help you not only with your cooking or your steaming, but also with your bread kneading. Now, those of you who haven't made bread before, right, some of you will say, I don't know. It takes me a long time to make bread, like 15-20 minutes to make a dough. Today, right here, we will do a bread dough in about 6.5 minutes, believe it or not, okay? So it's almost up. That's the signal, okay? Now, for those of you who want to see how it's mixed up, I'll show you right here, if you can see. It's just casually mixed up, the egg, the sugar, all right? All that in there, the instant yeast. Now we're going to put in the salt, the flour, okay? Then off we go with kneading. How simple is that? You don't need to up the lever, down the lever, take the bowl out, fix in the bread hook, anything like that, okay? And then I'm going to call up the kneading function, or the dough function as we call it. Set our time to 2 minutes, okay? And off we go. All right? So at this point, I'm going to try and be very nice. Okay, we're going to ask some questions and give away some prizes. Okay, now how many appliances can the Thermomix or the TM6 replace in your kitchen? Very quickly, all our Malaysian friends right there. Okay, very quickly type in your answers. How many appliances can the TM6 replace in your kitchen? Right, some of you will say, I have too many appliances. What do I do with all the appliances? You can, of course, give your appliances to your kids, right? And then have one of these in your kitchen. Because most of the houses or apartments that come up nowadays, the kitchens are becoming smaller because people are cooking less, right? But doesn't mean you cannot cook well, okay? And cannot cook conveniently, right? Really easy, okay? So get on your answers and tell me, how many appliances will the Thermomix or can the Thermomix replace in your kitchen? Really wonderful machine, huh? For any questions and queries, if you want to know more about the machine, please get on to thermomix.com.my. All right, today, right now. Get on it, check us out. If you like it, ask for a demo. Once again, the address is thermomix.com.my. All right, 22 seconds in. As you can see, hands are clean, table is clean, everything is clean. I also have a Thermomix spatula, which doesn't reach the blade. All right, I just put in, give the dough a stir. Wow, fabulous. Look, I can even leave it there, and it won't reach the blade. How fantastic is that? Okay, that's the signal for 2 minutes up. Self-opening, Smart at Heart. The Smart at Heart machine is, wow, look at this, after 2 minutes, My. So now we're going to put in our butter. Everything goes in. I only dirty one bowl or jug, as some people call it. That's it. Put it back on, and we're good to go again. Another 2 minutes. Okay, one hand operation. How easy is that? You could be carrying a baby or have your coffee. All right, one hand operation, really efficient. And we're on to 2 more minutes. Okay. So some of you said, can I make pasta? Can I make la mian? All right, can I make ban mian? Fish balls. Wow, fish ball in a machine like this? Normally you have to scrape the fish, use your hand, squeeze it out with a spoon. It's very messy. Just pop it in, and you use the same kneading function that you used to make the bun today, to make your noodle, your pasta dough, even your fish ball, even your otak. All right? Right? So most importantly, it's not like it's just a bread machine. This machine over here is really the all-in-one. All right? Over 22 functions. Fantastic. All right. Next question. We got a couple of prizes to give away, so we really, really want to get on with this. The Thermomix has a scale, a weighing scale. What is the degree of accuracy in the weighing scale? Is it 1 gram? This is the TM6, Is it 1 gram, 5 grams, or 10 gram accuracy? Okay? Really, really wonderful machine. Very quickly, second question. The accuracy of the weighing scale. Is it 1 gram, 5 grams, or 10 grams? We're counting down to the dough. It's already 37 seconds. And then some of you might say, but I cannot cook, so how will the machine help me? We have this thing called the cookie do. With the help of your home Wi-Fi, okay, it gives you at least 50 over 1,000 recipes at your fingertips. In this screen here, which is similar to a touch screen, either the iPad or your phone nowadays, you just slide, key in all your recipes, what you're looking for, and it comes up automatically, step by step. How easy is that? For people who cannot cook, this is the dream machine. It's ready now. Self-release, ready? Let's check our bread dough. Wow. Okay, let me put this away. Bum, bum, bum. It's so good, I don't even have to overturn this. I just take it out. Look, how easy is that? Okay, wow. It's amazing. It's the first-class machine. And I know in Malaysia, many people cook. So this would be the perfect kitchen appliance for you. Now I'm just going to round this casually and then pop it into a bowl. All right, we give it about a 10 minutes rest. Just round it. Okay. Now once again, some of you are saying, where can I find this wonderful recipe? Of course, it's the Perfection with Thermomix in 7 days. It's something to start you off when you first get your Thermomix. It's a really, really good six-page recipe book here, all right, with all the info of the entire recipe, ingredients, tips, hints, preparation methods, okay? So go think about it. All right, so we're going to pop this off, 10 minutes rest. After that, we're going to come back, and then I'm going to show you how we break this dough down into all your buns. All right? And we have some that we've already done before. So let's put this back on. Okay, so we're going to get this and shape it into little rounds like this. All right, and then from the little rounds you make a C cup with your hand, press on half the round, and then make it look like a tooth. It actually looks like a tooth. Okay, right? And then once you have the tooth, okay, we're going to first of all press it gently, open up the back, all right, there, and then as you pull down on the front, a long front here, okay, just grab it, all right, I get my butter, and I fill it in, okay, and then I just gently tug on it as I roll. I make some wings here, so to get like, yeah, similar like a croissant shape, okay, right there, that's it, okay, let me put this on a tray, so you all can see, okay, that's one, all right. Let's do another. This a bit to make space. Okay. Press down. Remove the back. Spread it out gently. Not too much power, otherwise you break the dough. And then as we tug on this, okay, as you can see, we tug on this. And those of you who say, oh, I can leave it there to prevent it from springing back. All right. I take some butter. Fill it in and gently roll it once again. Really easy, and of course just close off the ends so later when you bake the buns, the butter doesn't come out. All right, there. How easy is that? Okay, so we had a couple which we proved earlier on, right here. Okay, I'm going to egg wash them. And then we send it off to the oven for proofing and later for baking. There, just some egg wash. The egg wash is made up of egg. For every egg, you just use a tablespoon of milk. Right? Okay, and then you're off to the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll come back and show you the finished product. All right, so once again, if you need any inquiries, any questions regarding the TM6 or the Thermomix 6, go on to thermomix.com.my. All right, if you want to order, that is the same website you go to. Once again, thermomix.com.my. So, that's all in there, proofing. Okay, so in the interest of time, all right, we've made a couple of the buns beforehand, also an entire loaf for you to see the difference. Now, let me get this. Okay. Wow. All right, so some of you will say, hello, recipe please. Where can we find this recipe? Okay, now, this recipe once again is found in Perfection with Thermomix in 7 days. All right, it's actually the killer toast recipe, which ends up like a loaf if you want. We adapted it, all right, to a shell pan, all right, crescent buns style filled with butter just for you. So for all the TM users out there, you have one killer toast recipe, really killer, and 2 kinds of bread. How good is that? And remember, the killer toast recipe only requires 1 proofing time. Okay, so it's made extra for all the busy people out there who want to make bread. All right, with this fantastic machine we call the TM6, Thermomix 6, smart and hot. Okay, my name is Chef Martin Yo. I hope to see you again in the near future for more of our cooking demos and demo shows. Thank you very much.